Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. I'm going to show you how to decorate this chocolate bento cake. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I have the butter and the sugar in the bowl. You see the butter is nice and soft, which is easy to mix. Okay, so I'm going to mix this together. And mix. So for this chocolate cake, I replace some of my flour for cocoa powder. Then I add it in there and fold it in. You can add as much cocoa powder as you like. If you really like your cakes very chocolatey, you can add more cocoa powder. I removed 1 tablespoon of flour and replace it with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, but if you want a bit more than that, you can. The chocolate cake mixture is ready to go in the tin. It's already prepared. Greaseproof paper at the bottom and buttered and floured on the side. Now just use a knife to level it. Okay, now this is going in the oven until it's ready. Okay, the chocolate cake is ready. I've left it in the tin for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to get it out and put it on the cooling rack to cool completely. Okay, you might need to shake it a little bit. You see? Wow, look at that. It comes out so easily and clean from there because of the liner I put and the flouring the sides. And I'm going to peel this and leave it to cool completely before I decorate it. So I'm going to start off by cutting the cake in half using a serrated knife. Put it on there, measure halfway. If you want to be very accurate, use a ruler, and then you start to use a sewing motion. Then turn the cake around and sew as much to the middle as you can. Right, you see it's nice and baked through. This is just a bit of buttercream. Okay, I'm using vanilla buttercream for this. I like the contrast of vanilla and chocolate, so that's what I'm using. If you want to use chocolate buttercream, you can use chocolate buttercream. To watch a video on how to make chocolate buttercream, click on the link above. I'm using 2D nozzle. Okay, I'm going to just pipe all the way around. That's called an air bubble because it wasn't pushed down all the way. That's the buttercream. Okay, that's all I'm doing. And then you put the cake, the other half on top. And for the top, I'm just going to pipe some icing and then spread it with a spatula or a knife like I'm going to do here. Okay, so it's actually done. You can actually leave it like this, but I'm going to add some sprinkles, just a few sprinkles to the cake. If you want to transport this cake, it's quite easy. You can buy cake boards the same size as a cake. I'll show you. Because this one doesn't have much buttercream on the sides, it's very easy to handle. You can put a bit of buttercream on there so that your cake sticks on and doesn't move around. And then there are cake boxes that you can buy that can fit this cake. You can get 4-inch round ones, or even 5 or 6 inches if you want to have room to design your board. This one doesn't have any room for board design, and it's good like this. You can then buy the boxes and then assemble the box and add your cake in there. Okay, I'm going to cut the chocolate cake and show you what it looks like inside. Look at that. The texture is great and it's nicely baked, and look at that. It's nice and spongy. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.